Hi, welcome to the webinar. It's Modern Application Development with Stackato and Nebula. So I'm Phil Whelan, developer evangelist at ActiveState, and joining me is Gabriel Hurley. He's the platform team manager at Nebula. Hi, Gabriel.
Good morning. Glad to be here.
So in this webinar, I'll give a brief overview of what's happening in this webinar. We're going to introduce Nebula and Nebula 1. And then I'm going to give an introduction to Stackato. And then we'll see a demo of Nebula 1 and Stackato running together. And then at the end, we can have questions. Feel free to post any questions during the presentation or the demo. And we'll get to those in due course. So in this webinar, we'll see the complete stack from soup to nuts. So at your infrastructure layer, you've got Nebula. And then on top of that infrastructure, we run Stackato. And Stackato is there for deploying all your applications. So together they provide the entire stack to quickly provision, deploy, and scale your applications. And scalability is a large part of this. So Gabriel's going to introduce Nebula.
Yep. So Nebula, as a company, was born from a concept that started at NASA. Effectively, one of our founders, Chris Kemp, was the CTO for IT at NASA. So he was basically charged with being the visionary to revolutionize IT at NASA and across the federal government. And one of the big problems that he saw was this struggle with big data and with data locality, with all of these issues with legal regulations and restrictions on where data could be stored, how it could be